Or he's gonna strike out.
There ain't no mud out there no more. What? Go out there.
There's mud out there all the time.
Got this fast black guy put out there. Man, because I got to catch the ball that second too.
Yeah.
Some people don't move.
Black people don't run. What?
Yeah. Owns you too.
What does that mean?
The ball.
Reiterate that.
Oh. Shit was high, wasn't it? It looked high. Went like right across my letters. Like, it was really?
Nah,
First one?
Nah, it was
Yeah.
the
First one?
Yeah.
Oh no, man.
You can't see, motherfucker.
Hands up!
You go, Abe. The ball so well.
Almost hit my wife, nigga.
He goes like this.
Which one's yours?
Yeah.
The one that's not my mom. The one that's the giant standing next to the midget. What else do you want to hear? She's over there behind the behind the bleachers over there.
Nice.
Walking up right now. See her? My wife's standing over there looking this way, like she's about to rob us. Look at the end of their dugout, straight out.
Bandito, you mean?
The thick one, nigga. No base hits. No base hits.
I hit a home run with her.
Yeah. Oh, Rob. Let's see it, Rob. Let's see it. Oh, you're slow.
KP at the bat.
Come on, Kalu. You hit a home run, we'll get a line under your dirt bag.
We'll let you earn your stripe.
Only if you get me sponsored by Nike. I'm halfway there.
Tell me you got Nike tattoos.
Everywhere.
Fucking football numbers on my jersey. How big those things
He's
are.
used to it, though.
I confirmed that.
Oh, what the?
Oh!
Bobby, you got a lot to live up to over there.
Yeah. Pulls hella quick, too.
All the way